How to join a meeting in Uber Conference on Android. You cannot join a meeting if you do not create an account or you are signed in the app, so please do this before. Tap on Join another call. You need to have the URL of the meeting you wish to join. Write the URL here on the top. Now tap Join Conference. Now select how you would like to participate in this conference. I will choose HD call, but you can also use the carrier call. Now you are connected to the meeting. On the meeting as a participant, you will have some options. At the bottom, you will have the option to set up the audio to speakers. This will allow you to hear much better and not to keep the phone at your ear. The next option is the chat. Here, you will be able to send and receive messages. Button viewers will show you the list of the participants in the conference call. And, of course, the End Conference Call button. Now let's see how it looks when somebody does send you a text message. You will see the notification on the chat button. If you wish to mute yourself, tap on your name at this list. You will see a list of menus in the right part. Tap on the microphone and you will mute yourself. You can end the meeting by tapping the End Call button. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.